It seems like you're referring to watermelon as watermelon. Watermelon plants are traditionally grown on the ground or in raised beds due to their vining growth habit. However, if you're interested in experimenting with growing watermelon in a hanging basket or container, you can give it a try using the following steps. Choose a suitable variety. Option for a compact or bush-type watermelon variety that is well suited for container gardening. Look for varieties specifically bred for small spaces or patio containers. Select a large hanging basket or container. Choose a container that is large enough to accommodate the root system of the watermelon plant. A hanging basket with a diameter of at least 18 inches or a large container with a volume of several gallons should work well. Provide support. Watermelon vines can become heavy once the fruit starts to develop. Consider providing support for the container, such as hanging it from a sturdy hook or placing it on a stable surface. Use well-draining soil. Fill the hanging basket or container with a high-quality potting mix that provides good drainage. You can also amend the soil with compost or perlite to improve aeration and drainage. Plant the seeds or seedlings. Sow watermelon seeds directly into the container or transplant seedlings into the prepared soil. Follow the spacing recommendations provided for your chosen variety, typically planting 1 or 2 seeds per container. Water regularly. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Watermelon plants have deep root systems, so water deeply to ensure the roots receive adequate moisture. Provide sunlight. Place the hanging basket or container in a location that receives full sun for at least 6–8 hours per day. Watermelons require plenty of sunlight to thrive and produce fruit. Fertilize as needed. Feed the watermelon plants with a balanced fertilizer according to the instructions on the package. Container-grown plants may require more frequent fertilization to replenish nutrients in the soil. Prune and train. As the watermelon vines grow, you may need to prune them to control their size and shape. You can also train the vines to cascade over the edges of the hanging basket for an attractive display. Harvesting. Once the watermelon fruits reach maturity, typically indicated by a change in color and a dull sound when thumped, harvest them carefully from the vine. Enjoy your homegrown watermelon. While growing watermelon in a hanging basket may be unconventional, it can be a fun and rewarding gardening experiment. Be prepared to provide adequate support and care to ensure the best possible growing conditions for your hanging watermelon plant.